Welcome to MASH, the multi-agent system for hospitals. As you can see, MASH orchestrates a comprehensive ecosystem of specialized AI agents ranging from patient registration and diagnostics to stock management and telemetry. By leveraging the BAND AI SDK network, MASH strictly decouples front-facing conversational interactions from background database operations. This architecture ensures a highly scalable and fault-tolerant clinical environment. To balance network efficiency with execution state isolation, these agents collaborate within persistent communication channels known as virtual rooms. As shown here in the live dashboard, these rooms handle all dynamic, short-lived workflow sessions, allowing multiple agents to securely broadcast events and coordinate tasks in real time. Let's look at the clinician's dashboard. When a consultation begins, the system broadcasts the request, effectively handing the task over to the back office summary agent. The summary agent queries a Superbase database for historical records, cleanses the datasets, and runs with an LLM to compile a structured clinical summary. Once finished, the doctor assistant agent receives the update and conversationally responds back to the physician with the compiled brief. This ensures the doctor has instant, accurate context on past surgeries, chronic conditions, and allergies before interacting with the patient. When the doctor issues a prescription, MASH relies on strict, statically compiled graph structures to guarantee clinical safety. The medicine management agent intercepts the prescription to cross reference the patient's allergies, check previous dosages, and audit current stock levels. If an item is out of stock, the system enforces a mandatory pause for human in the loop intervention. It flags the doctor dashboard and waits for the physician to review and provide an alternative, ensuring critical safety rules like drug conflict warnings are never bypassed by the AI. Let's look at the complete patient journey. Instead of scrolling through static lists, patients simply describe their symptoms to the conversational patient management agent, which instantly understands their medical needs and routes them to the correct specialty. Behind the scenes, the background registration agent autonomously queries the database to secure the best available appointment slot. Once the patient arrives at the hospital, the patient navigation agent seamlessly takes over, calculating real-time, step-by-step
From
directions
reception
to
desk,
guide them
exit
straight
the
to their
waiting
doctor's
area,
exact
enter the
consultation
corridor,
room.
and take the first right into Doctor Consultation Room 1.